okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of babe. But let me tell you, I like you.
What's good, what's up, what's poppin'? It's your girl Diamour and I'm back for another video. So today, you guys, is episode 6 of my Entrepreneur Life series. I hope you all are enjoying this series on my channel. If you are, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up in the end if you like it, and subscribe down below because that will definitely help my channel out a lot. I'm on the road to 2K, you guys. I'm only like 50 subscribers away, so I think we can definitely do it. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I have big boxes of stuff right here. Y'all can tell by the title what type of video this is. This is going to be an inventory unboxing, you guys. Before we get into the video, I just want to say, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Don't mind my appearance. I know I say this in every video, but truly, you guys, I am going to be getting all cute and stuff in my next video, so make sure y'all turn on my post notifications so y'all won't miss that. I will be doing a behind the scenes of my photo shoot. So yeah, my hair looks a mess right now, but it's okay because after this video, I'm taking this out and I'm gonna get it redone, you know? So yep, that is that. Get my nails done, all of that stuff. So make sure if y'all want to see that video that y'all subscribe, like I said, so it would automatically pop up, and also turn on your post notification bell so y'all will know when it's uploaded. Okay, all right, so like I said, I got these big boxes of stuff. This is part of my fall / winter type things. So it's from my boutique. If you don't know, I am the owner of Diamour Apparel, which is an online fashion boutique for all dimes. So yeah, the first box I already opened, y'all. I couldn't wait, so I'm sorry, but it is what I'm wearing, which is really cute. So this is how it looks. Well, I kind of messed it up. It was folded neater than that, but I was just looking at it. So it's this sweatshirt and it says "Ain't Laurent without Yves." This is a YSL reference, so if y'all didn't know, now y'all know. This color is bomb, y'all. Like, this color is super cute. Y'all can see it on me. Y'all see the vibes? It's so cute, this mint green. And the quality, like, the quality is great. Like, it's so stretchy and comfortable. It's not like a tight sweatshirt on you, but it's not super oversized. Like, it fits, it's true to size for everyone. That's the first thing. It wasn't really much to show because I have it on. All right, so moving on to the next item I got. I opened this box too. All right, so this is the next item I have, and it's just a, ooh, wait a minute. It is a 2-piece set, you guys. I'm gonna pick out the one I will be wearing in my photo shoots. Probably will wear a size medium in this. So you guys. Alright, so this is a pants and a jacket type of tracksuit type vibe. I don't even know what I'm gonna name these things yet, so that's kind of sucks. I don't know what to call them yet, but I will. This is blue and white and like a mauve color, and this is what the pants look like these. Kind of hard to show these pants, but of course I'll be trying them on so y'all will see it. Anyways, I always like to do like a quality check, make sure it's good quality because I don't want to sell y'all anything that I wouldn't wear. Like I said, it has stretch to it. I would definitely recommend going a size up on this outfit because normally I wear a small, but as y'all see, I can fit a medium. And then this is the jacket, y'all. The jacket looks like this, just a matching jacket, and it zips up. Y'all see, zips up like that. It's cute or whatever, I guess. It's cool. It's definitely different from what I expected it to be, but I think I can make some shake in my photo shoot and see if I like it and want to sell it, because I don't know, it's just not giving me what it's supposed to give. So the next box I have is actually an unboxing because it's not open, you guys. All right, so ooh, all right. So the next thing I got, you guys, is this shirt. Ooh, this feels good. Ooh, this feels good. Okay. Oh my gosh, but do y'all see this material? Y'all have to feel this because this shirt feels so freaking good. Ooh, this, and it's so cute. It's different. definitely different. Okay, it has pink. Why did I touch blue and say pink? It has blue and then like a mauve color, and then it's gray. It fits so well on me, y'all. Like, I really like this. Really like this. Ooh, I cannot wait to wear this. Yeah, I have, oh, please don't fall, is this box, you guys. Get my pen. The box of stuff. Yeah, I got this, and I kind of remember what this is. Got this. It's super cute, you guys. Normally, I don't think these look right on me. It is a jumpsuit. All right, let's check the quality of this. All right, so okay, this is definitely different. Take the vendor tag off so y'all won't know where I got my stuff from. But this is the jumpsuit, you guys. It's like this floral. It has leaves on it. It's cute. It's cute. Like I said, I normally don't get stuff like this because I know this might sound crazy, but I think I don't have the right body for it. Like, I think I'm super skinny, so these won't look right on me. But I think this is cute, y'all. I can't really show it because it's super long, but y'all will see in the try on clip anyways how this looks. This is nice. I really like this. And the colors, like, it's a whole vibe. Ooh, this is nice. The quality is good. Like, it's not thin. It's not thin, but it's not like super thick. Like, I can't explain it. It's not cheap, okay? We don't do cheap over here. This is what it looks like, and it has a zipper in the back to zip you up, of course. So yeah, that's that. So the next box I have is this, and it is huge. It's really huge. Like, it's a big box, and it's heavy. Real nice. Ooh, and it's thick. Ooh, thick. Hold on, I gotta show y'all this. We gotta get into this, okay? Let me put this back over here. All right, y'all. So this is. Ooh, does it have a name on it? Okay, let me take this tag off. Oh, this is nice. Okay, y'all. So it's this. Gotta cover up the tube. It's this dress, y'all. I know it kind of look crazy when I'm showing y'all, but get into it, okay? This material is so thick. Like, I love it. Definitely gonna keep you warm during the winter and the fall. Like, it's super thick. And the color, y'all see how brick it is? Like, it's super cute, and it can go off your shoulder or it can go on your shoulder if you want it. But y'all, it's so super stretchy. Like, it has a lot of stretch to it, but it also fits your body, which I am loving. Y'all, I think this is gonna be like my best seller, honestly, because it just feels so good, and it's really long, you guys. As y'all can see, it's kind of hard to show, but as y'all see in the freaking clip, that is super long, but it fits your body and it makes you look like you got a booty. So I definitely like this. This is my favorite, I think. So yeah, you guys, that is my inventory unboxing. I got like 5 pieces, I think, that I have to shoot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, like I said, and stay tuned for my next video. I look a mess, I know. I just accepted it already. Like, it's okay, because next video is gonna be bomb. I'm doing a makeup behind the scenes, you know, hair, nails, all of that. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Also, make sure you check out my playlist of my other videos. It'll be up here somewhere. So make sure you click the playlist and yeah, go watch the other videos in this series. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go get myself together and, you know, put this stuff away. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one.